In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix couldn't delete account error on Tinder. If you're trying to permanently delete your Tinder account, but you are still getting this error each and every time you try, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, now for this, you need first to make sure that you are logged in with an email, or if you normally use continue with Google account, that is where you use your Gmail account for your default account, you will need first to have created a password before you can permanently delete your Tinder account. However, if you had already created a password for your account and you are unable to delete, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To do that, you need to troubleshoot your Tinder app by going to your Tinder app info page, and you can easily access this by going to settings. And from settings, look for apps. Now under apps, you should see this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for the app. And here you want to force stop the app first, and then clear data and cache. Then restart your phone. Once you have restarted your phone, you'll need to go to your Tinder app now, log into your account before you can go to settings, and now you should be able to permanently delete your account without any issue. So that's how you can fix issues related to deleting your Tinder account. So let me know if your problem was sorted. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.